So, there's a bird at my, doorstep. It sounds weird, but, let me explain. So, one day, I was, Okay, so I was at my door, and, I found there was, like, a nest on the top of the lamp thingy next to my door. And there was a bird there. She was laying eggs, and she had to protect them. And in order for them to become big, strong birds, I had to, not disturb her, so she wouldn't leave the eggs and they die. So, instead, we had to just kind of not slam the door or ring the doorbell. So, then the eggs hatched, and now, we just have 3 birds at my house. My god, there's birds out my house. Birds!